Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through on how to make ebook website in Google Suite for free, and I'm gonna give you a step-to-step guide to help you get started. So the first thing you have to do is access your Google account and go to the Google Suite. Then after that, click on the plus icon or plus button to create a new site. You can choose a blank template or select one from the template gallery. Then after that, enter a name for your site. This will be the title that appears in the header and in the web or mobile window title after you publish the site. Then after that, click on the pages tab on the right sidebar and add a new pages for different sections of your website, such as home, about, shop, and contact. Then after that, use the insert tab, add text box, image, and other elements to your pages. You can also customize the layout and design to match your brand. It depends on you and depends on how you want to do it. This part has to deal with your whole level of customization. So once you get that done, then on the shop page, add your ebook listing. You can use text box to describe each book and add image of the book cover. You can also include a buy now button for each book, or link to a payment platform, link PayPal or Stripe if you have any one of them. Also use Cash App if you want. After that, ensure that your payment buttons are correctly linked to your payment platform. This will allow customers to purchase your ebook directly from your website. After that, once you are satisfied with your website, click on the publish button in the top right corner. Choose the custom URL or use the default Google site URL. Then share your website on social media, email, newsletter, and other marketing channels to attract visitors and potential customers. And that is how you can make ebook website in Google Suite for free in 2025. If you find this video helpful, turn on the share button and follow for more. Thank you.